Did you know that this jelly-looking thing around their head is actually bad for them? Ang tawag pala dyan is wen. Yes, ang wen growth ay nakakasama sa kanila pag sobra. For example, na-cover ng eyes. Kapag hindi na sila nakakakita, they will find it hard to compete to get the proper nutrition and enough food. Kasi the main sense that they use is their eyes. And sometimes kapag hindi nila nakukuha yung proper nutrition or enough food, giging malnourished sila. Bumababa yung immune system, nai-stress sila, and kapag stress ng isda, mas madali silang dapuan ng mga sakit. And eventually, hindi nakakayanin ng katawan, so they just die. Number 2 is the wen-body ratio. Kapag masyado nang malaki yung wen growth, nagiging mabigat na yung ulo, so the wen growth or the head will drop, and then the body will go up. Since located ang kanilang bladder sa kanilang body, and the bladder has air which control the buoyancy, since meron siyang air, the body will be more lighter than the head. So, yung swimming pattern nila ay maapektuhan. Kaya kung mapapansin mo yung mga goldfish na may malalaking wen, sometimes ganito yung itsura nila. For example is Mr. Gummy Bear. As you can see, masyado mabigat yung ulo niya. So, ibig sabihin, mas nag-grow yung wen growth compared dun sa body. Kaya ganito yung swimming pattern niya. So, meron siyang wen to body ratio imbalance. Kaya naman ay highly suggest kapag bibili ka ng goldfish, mas maigi yung hindi ganun kalaki yung wen growth. Yung enough lang para sa katawan ng goldfish. I truly understand na sobrang cute ng mga goldfish na mayroong malalaking wen growth. And based on my experience, they are not actually good for them. Just by watching Mr. Gummy Bear, I know na hindi niya na-enjoy yung best quality of life. But, you know, when you love someone, you are not just basically throwing them away or selling them away kasi meron silang problema. Still, I'm keeping him and giving him more attention compared to my other goldfish. Kaya naman, I highly suggest kapag bibili ka ng goldfish, make sure na enough lang yung wen growth para sa kanyang body structure. So, kung gusto mo pa ng mga gantong information about goldfish keeping, just make sure to follow me and like this video para lagi kang updated sa ating mga posts. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye! By the way, you can buy goldfish from me.